Welcome to FESPA 2019. Can you imagine the future of prints?
What's important for the future is quality. This is a dress of my collection. It's printed with Mimaki and it's a great quality dress.
They are really good. A lot of colors, a lot of high details, small details.
I think they are really nice, colorful, interesting design.
I really like this Mimaki sample.
Actually, I've never seen anything like it before.
The new technology and yeah, it looks nice.
It's impressive, it's quite good.